Hey everyone, in this video I will explain how to fix Roblox not launching. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. First of all, it's better to disable any third-party antivirus or Windows security on your computer. And also you need to make sure your Windows is all up to date. So to do that, just go to Windows Update, then check for updates manually. And if there is any updates available, make sure to download and install them. After that, open up command prompt. So to do that, go to search bar and type in there CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. Type this command in the command prompt, sfc /scan now, and then press enter. If there are any bugs on your computer, this command will repair it. And while you got the command prompt open, type the following command to clear DNS caches. Type this command ipconfig /flash DNS and press enter. If the last solution didn't work, then try the next one. Open up your search bar and type in there %local app data % and hit enter. In here, look for Roblox folder and delete it. So after you deleted the Roblox folder, then open up your browser. So in my case, it's Google Chrome. On the top, click on these three dots, then select settings. On the left, click on privacy and security, then select this one, cookies and other site data. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on see all site data and permissions. Over here where it says search, in the search bar, type Roblox. And anything to do with Roblox, just delete them. Next solution is to change or check the DNS server in your computer. So to do that, on your keyboard, press Windows key and R to open up Run. And type in here ncpa.cpl. And then just click OK. Over here, choose the internet connection that you're working on. So in my case, I'm working on Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to right click on Wi-Fi and select Properties. And next in here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Then we need to select this option, use the following DNS server address. And for preferred DNS server, type in there 8.8.8.8. And then for the bottom one, which is alternative DNS server, type in there 8.8.4.4. Also make sure to check this option, validate settings upon exit. Just in case you have already selected this option in the past and it still is not working, then you can just choose the top one which says obtain DNS server address automatically and just click OK. If none of the solution worked for you, then you can try the next method. If you have installed Rivachuna, a statistics server which is called RTSS, or you have installed MSI Afterburner, then one of these two could be conflicting with the latest version of Roblox and is causing the crashing issue. So to get this fixed, open up your task manager by right clicking on your Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Once you open up your task manager, on the left side, click on Details. Then look for MSI Afterburner. Once you find it, right click on it and select End Task to close it. And next look for these two, rtss.exe and rtss hooks loader 64. Once you find them, just follow the same process. Right click on them and select End Task to close them down. After you're done, then try to launch your Roblox and hopefully this should fix the crashing problem. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.